What's up, YouTubers? What's up, metal investors? What's up, everybody? This is Mo from Mo's Silver or Not. Welcome to my channel. Um, Today, I'm going to be talking about a very important and sensitive subject that is actually, it could affect all of our investments, guys. I mean, it's not just the metal investors, anybody that's investing in anything. This issue should be very effective. First of all, I want to say thank you to this website called dailymetalprice.com because I'm going to be using their statistics, their chart. These guys are doing a great job. So hats off to these guys. Second of all, um, everybody that likes this video, share it so a lot of people would get an idea of what's happening, especially the veterans out there with a lot of subscribers. When you share this video, more people will watch it. We'll get an idea. This is how it is. We help each other out. Now, when we invest in things, guys, when you invest in silver, you shouldn't be far away from oil, for example. You should always have your eyes on oil prices. You should always have your eyes on everything. Because at the end of the day, everything is linked. Everything is linked. You always have to watch the world news, the wars, anything that's happening should be of an importance to you. But we all understand the rules of inflation. Inflation could happen or without even us sensing it, and this is how it's supposed to be. The normal inflation, we should always know about it after it happens. Like you go back, you look back 5 years ago, this is how much you used to pay for this, and this is how much you're paying for it now. That's when you sense that there was an inflation right there. But we're not supposed to feel it on monthly basis or daily basis. But at the time of the pandemic, I'm talking about myself. I kind of sensed it. I kind of felt it. I mean, we got a lockdown of a few weeks, and then we went out and we started buying stuff. And right there, you could feel everything went up. Everything. Like all grocery stores, vegetable market, everybody went up. Even when you go to a restaurant, they even started giving you little smaller portions, or they raised the price on you. So the inflation is happening, yes. Is it due to the amount of stimulus that we've done in this country? You got to keep in mind, the rest of the world also is doing stimulus plans too. So it's not only the US dollar that's going to drop due to these stimulus plans. Also France and Germany and Japan and all these countries can, and you got to understand in the world of currencies trade against each other. The dollar is going to drop. Is it going to drop against the euro, or is it going to drop against the yen, the Japanese yen, or the sterling? So this is how it works. So I think all the currencies are going to drop due to the, money printing process, that is. But at the same time, is it possible that gold prices may also drop while the dollar is dropping? The answer is yes, it's a possibility. And how is that? Is if you actually combine two things together. Inflation and a bubble. Bubble in what? Bubble in gold. Could the gold be facing a bubble time coming up? Is it going to drop? Because if you actually take a look at platinum, for example, platinum used to trade almost as much as the gold or even higher 15 years ago or even 20. I mean, as much as I can remember, platinum has always been higher than gold. Then platinum started losing value. Or at least that's how people, thought. But maybe platinum wasn't losing value. Platinum was playing according to the inflation rules. Maybe the gold was going up way more than it's supposed to go. So what's going to happen, guys? What's going to happen? I think that is my opinion. Are we going to see the gold and platinum at the same criteria again? Are they going to be trading at the same price almost? Is platinum going to actually exceed gold in prices? The answer, I think, yeah, it is a possibility. How is that going to happen? Is the platinum going to hit the roof and exceed gold and become $2,000 an ounce? Probably not. But I think the gold is going to drop to the value of the platinum, or both. So platinum is going up according to the rules of the inflation, while gold is going to drop according to the rules of the bubble. While when they're going to meet at a point where they're going to be at the same price again. I'm going to explain this to you because I know this is a bit confusing to a lot of you guys, but I'm going to show you how every single metal is going up in the world, guys, except for gold and palladium. You know, a few metals here and there, but most of the metals are going up due to the rules of supply and demand and due to the rules of the inflation. To explain this better, the rules of inflation, guys, I mean, they even have a percentage for it of a 4%, 3 to 4%, something like that, which technically speaking means every 25 years, prices of things are supposed to double. So anyone out there that's above the age of 45, I would say, would remember very good how things used to look like back in the year 1995 or the year 1996, which is 25 years ago. So 25 years ago, house prices used to be half of the value of today's prices. And in other words, in the state of New Jersey, that's where I live, houses used to sell on an average of $200,000. Now you can't find anything less than $400,000 in Jersey. There's no way. Even when you look at the rent, people used to pay $600-$700 for rent. $600 today, nobody pays less than $1,200 or $1,300 that's for a one-bedroom apartment. Gallon of milk, for example, a gallon of milk used to sell for $2, $1.99. I remember that. Today, it's $4, a little less, a little above. Everything is like gas prices. It used to be like $1.15, $1.20. Today it's $2.40. As you can see, everything doubled in a matter of 25 years. These are the rules of the inflation. So everything is supposed to double. But when it triples, then there is a huge question mark, guys. Why did it triple? If there is an explainable reason, something that you can explain, like I said, something that, due to certain things, certain matters, that's what drove this particular item to get this particular hike. Yeah, we could all understand that. That'll justify. But if there was no reason, then there is a chance that this thing might drop back. So let me proceed, and you guys will get a better look from another dimension, and you will understand what I'm talking about. So, as you can see, this is a list of most of the metals. I'm going to start with silver, since I'm a silver investor. We're going to say the troy ounce. Here we go. Back on January 18. Now, this is in less than a month. This is what happened in less than a month, guys. January 18, silver was $24.86. February 12th, today, last I checked, was $27.60. So this is close to $3, a little less than $3, guys. Silver, in a matter of 20 days, gained almost about 10%. So let's take a look at platinum. Also by the troy ounce. Same amount of time, from January 18 to February 12th, from $1,086 to $1,233. About 160, a little less than 200, 160, 170, something like that. So you're looking almost to another 10% right there. Silver and platinum went up 10%. Now let's go to other metals. Copper. Copper. I'm thinking about Mini Cooper. Copper by kilogram. Here we go. Copper, back in January 15, traded for $7.97 a kilo. Went up to $8.29. Let's go to aluminum. Aluminum went up also from $2, almost shy, to $2.07. Lead also went up. Nickel, $17.97 to $18.59. Cobalt, this guy here was amazing. $36.43 to $47.99, almost $48, guys. This is almost 30% hike. That's one of the metals. Let's go to tin. $21.49 to $25.56. Amazing, huh? Now, let's look at the first loser, which is palladium. Palladium, we're going to go, not kilo, I'm sorry, we're going to go by troy ounce. Palladium, January 18, $23.96 to $23.70. Palladium lost $26. So while all the metals are gaining ground, palladium actually was losing ground. And the biggest surprise is gold, also by a troy ounce, from $1,833 to $1,818. Also, gold lost ground. Not much, but lost ground. So as you can see, according to the rules of the inflation, these metals are going up, just like everything else in our life is going up. When you go to a restaurant and order a meal, you'll notice there is a change in the price. You'll notice there's a change in the portion if there's no change in the price. I'm not saying this is for everybody, guys. I'm saying most, that is. So all the metals are going up. Our currencies are depreciating. The value of the money that we're holding in our hands is actually depreciating. That's true. Not just our dollar. Every single currency in the world is dropping, not just us. And this is the proof that everything else is going up against it. But why gold is not going up? The only thing that's not going up. And you better believe it, gold is actually what holds everything together for us. Everything is priced according to gold. So gold is holding on, gold is losing while everything else is going up. That's unprecedented, I think. This is not common, I think. So what I think is going to happen, guys, and this is an indication to it. It didn't happen yet, but this is an indication. I could be right, I could be wrong. That gold is going to hold on probably to a value a little bit, then it's going to start dropping. And then it's going to meet the platinum chart. It's going to meet the platinum price at a certain point. Like platinum is going to go up a little bit and gold is going to drop down a little bit, and they're going to meet at a certain criteria, and they're going to stick to that criteria. And I think that's how things are going to be played. So the question is, bubble, and is it possible to have a bubble and a massive inflation? Yes. And this is what we're facing, I think. So let me know in the comments below what you think. And again, this video, guys, is important to anybody that's investing in anything, not just in silver. If you're investing in anything, these tips that you may find in this video could be very useful to you. It could actually change your entire way of judging things, of handling things. So please throw your comments below. Always like, share the whole thing, and a lot of especially those veterans, the people with a lot of subscribers, share this video, guys, because it's very important. It could help a lot of people. And thanks again.